You work hard and you don't stop until the job is done. What if the job can be made safer and easier? Maximize your potential with the HighRise folding rear entry step from Retrac. Commercial trailers are difficult to enter with few supports for entry and blind spots when exiting, putting your safety and health at risk. HighRise is a thoughtfully designed step that increases safety for easier entry and provides a visible, secure step when exiting. This allows you to do your job safely and efficiently. And if that's not enough, HighRise also features an auto stow roller mechanism. This innovative design feature automatically stows HighRise in the upright position when the roller makes contact with a loading dock or forklift. Its counterbalance design holds the HighRise in the stowed position during travel. This innovative design feature prevents damage to the step and gives you peace of mind so you can remain focused on the job at hand. The HighRise entry step installs in minutes with 4 bolts, and it fits any 4-inch bumper beams, most commonly found on semi-trailers, box trucks, and flat decks. The pocket size required to install the step is a minimum of 12.8 inches wide, 12.25 inches deep, and 11.7 inches high from the top of the bumper to the deck. Constructed from a high-strength 7-gauge steel, HighRise has a working load limit of 600 pounds. HighRise features graded steps for exceptional traction, even in wet or icy conditions. HighRise is an affordable, common-sense investment in safety and efficiency for all drivers and fleet operators. So maximize your potential with HighRise from Retrac.